So how long do you think it's gonna take?
It's going to take me at least an hour.
Okay, do you mind if I go and sit around?
Go ahead.
Leave me for-
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Take your time.
Okay.
Well, let me show you what's going on here. So we took out the ice bucket, and you can see here. You see all the ice around here, and the doors trap is not working. This should be down there like that. So we're going to take this all out, and take this all apart, and then you'll see how this heater is installed. It's a process. It's not going to be easy. It's not. I shouldn't say it's not easy. It's just tedious. You got to follow the instructions. Fortunately, the customer just left to go to the store, so I could talk to you while I'm doing this. So here's the part number. This is a model. This is a BI-48SD. Push in. So, let's get the instructions out. Always read the instructions first. This is totally new to me. I mean, it's not the same as the old heaters. Look, you got to even change the door switch. All right. Step 1. Remove the front mounting screws and loosen the back mounting screws on each side of the grill. So we have to take the grill off. Remove the grill, loosen the 2 screws on the vent shroud, and remove the shroud. Remove the compressor shroud. Remove the existing freezer door switch. Disconnect the electrical connections to the main wire harness and both door switches. Install the new freezer door switch. Install the new electrical connections into both door switches and main wire harness. Route the purple wire to the main power supply and insert the jumper wire into the existing power supply connection. Use the provided wire clips to secure the harness to the top of the unit. Install the compressor and vent shrouds. Install the grill. Okay. Another screw up there. So let's take this down. There's another screw up here. I want to check this out because this whole thing doesn't tell you anything in here about how to replace that. Somebody's worked on this before. There's a lot of screws missing out. 1, 2. Maybe this has been replaced already. Only one screw in here. There's ice in here. This is different from the 600 series. Okay, so that's out. So looks like the same unit, right? So we have to take this pin out right here so this thing can pivot. That's the old one. So the only thing really what the instructions are showing is the wiring diagrams, the wiring harnesses. Alright, so let me shut this down. Okay, so you see that groove right, this groove right here? This has to slip into that, and that's what locks that in. Okay, so make sure you push this in so it locks into there. So now it's tight. So when I first took this thing out, this thing was loose, and maybe it wasn't in right. But that's the way it works, okay? It's pivoting, and we hook this into here. Oh, we'll do that. Let's put the pieces back together, because then we have to take the grill off and get that all situated. So now the heater's in. Okay, my battery's running low. I don't know if I'm going to have enough juice to finish this, but we're putting this back together, and we were missing a bunch of screws, so I'll have to see if I have any extra ones. Okay, there's 1, 2, there's one back there. Hold on a second. This is a new tool I picked up from one of my subscribers who told me for stainless steel screws, but these do not work on these. They don't work on these hex head, I don't think. No, it's not going to work. Alright, back to the drawing board. So this goes in here like this. This water line goes in like this. That holds that in place. Okay, that's looking good. And this is going to go in here, and this goes in here. this goes on here. It's like a screw hole. See that right there? That's going to hold that in. Okay, let me find some screws. I got 4 stainless steel screws out of my bag. This is the tool that was recommended to one of our subscribers that holds the stainless steel screws in place. But this is a Phillips. This is not a hex head. So you twist this, you put the screw in, and you push it in, and then it locks it. And so I guess you can see why they didn't put the screws in. They couldn't get them in. You know, I guess you could always use metal, steel screws, but this is what it came with. Stainless steel screws. Okay, got one up there. Okay.
Put your mind to it. Did you speak to the electrician?
Yes.
John?
Yeah, he fixed it. The light
Oh, see, I didn't know when the, I couldn't tell when the message.
Okay, so
was
we're
on
going
the
to take
machine.
off this.
Yeah. Was.
If they could, to put in the bag and keep it
No, I know.
for emergencies. I use the little trays, you know, that were in there.
Yeah.
I thought there was a piece that came down.
So,
The boys have not been down.
This is going to go into
Should we
here.
cut this off the plan?
yeah, I'm just
Like
gonna
this.
put that to you to Marty.
Yeah.
I'm going to go in like that.
Cook it like
No,
that?
no, she cooked.
And why it was not good?
We have room in the car. She told me one thing. I'm supposed to keep, I think.
Who? The
I
right?
have to remember, yeah.
It's here?
Oh, I looked everywhere right there. Okay. So I found this one here. I was thinking maybe it was warm out, I should turn the pool up and watch this rain. It was really warm.
Did you check it? You just work with the fridge, right? Not dishwasher.
No,
not washer,
no, I
dryer.
don't. No, I don't do that. Yeah.
Okay, just one point is that this chute heater is different than the 600 series, so always check with the serial number for that model. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.